Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you read, today's video is all about the basic shoes that you should invest in. तो मैं ना सुबह से सारे अपने shoes जमा कर रही हूँ and I'm like, okay, how many shoes do I own? And I am very proud to tell you, I own only 15 pair of shoes in total. I know कुछ लोगों के लिए ये ज़्यादा होगा, कुछ लोगों के लिए कम होगा, but in my thing, I feel it's only 15 and I cover every freaking range from workwear to party to your social, your casual, everything I cover in this. वैसे तो it's only 13, दो तो मैं सिर्फ shoots के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ because I don't wear them, but I know a lot of you guys do wear such shoes and then I use them for demonstration purposes. But yes, I'm super excited to share basic minimum shoes that all of you own and they are not 15. I'm going to share 5 or 7. I don't want to create complicated list कि ये भी चाहिए वो भी चाहिए वो भी चाहिए. Generally क्या होता है ना कि we keep on buying things क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं है what we should buy. So I'm making this list very simple for you. Take your pen and paper. Again, a teacher in me is telling you sit down and write it down. Anyways, hi. If this is the very first video that you're watching, then hi, this is Jayani Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. So since we are talking about shoes, pehle we are starting with flat shoes, okay? Now I know heels are girls' best friends, but flat shoes are soulmates. Now the first one that I want to share are brown flat chappals. Now mine are Kolhapuri chappals. If you don't like Kolhapuri chappals and you can invest in any flat shoes, always remember when there are open shoes, please make sure that your legs are well moisturized, that your legs are painted or not, it's all right, but your nails are cut, your legs are well moisturized, because otherwise open chappal ka charm chala jata hai, theek hai? So now I am a huge fan of Kolhapuri chappal. If you are someone who doesn't like Kolhapuri chappal, then any other flat shoes or chappals in brown color works well. The second one is a plain black. Now today I'm wearing a black t-shirt and I'm wearing black pants as well. In such a case, I could add a color with a fancy chappal, or I could also do full black. So I have these black chappals. I always like chappals with this little toe thing because it adds a little fun on your feet. The sliders I'm not comfortable wearing because my legs slide out and in and front and back and I don't like that whole thing. That's why the grip is great when you have this whole thumb thing. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Your thumb is locked? No, okay, whatever it is called. Okay, now the third one, I'm giving you an option. It is metallic chappals. You could either have the metallic Kolhapuris, like I have these golden ones, I also have a silver one. But whatever, since we are doing the minimalistic guide, I will say that whatever is the jewelry that you wear the most is the kind of metallic chappal you should own. So if you are someone who wears a lot of silver jewelry, then you should own a silver chappal. If you're someone who wears a lot of gold jewelry, then you should own a gold chappal because it makes it easier. Now the second thing in this metallic chappal is that it's not necessary that you need Kolhapuris, okay? You could very well have juttis. Now I don't have plain juttis, so I'm just sharing a jutti, but you could have either a metallic chappal or you could have a jutti. You don't need both. Okay, the next one are sneakers. Now when it comes to sneakers, please invest in white sneakers. Don't go and buy black, blue, pink sneakers, okay? They're not going to work well. So why white sneakers? Like I said, the color is easily matchy with other things, right? You don't have to fight कि किसके साथ match हो रहा है. So now the canvas kind sneakers are available with Bata, they're available with Onitsuka and they're available with Converse. In fact, these three brands, I don't remember any fourth brand, but these three brands, depending on your price range, you could invest in. I personally don't prefer the canvas kinds and I prefer these kinds. Now these are slightly heavier in the sense that not everyone enjoys this slightly, it's not a heel, but it has a slightly bulky look and feel. Advantage of a slightly bulky ones are कि ना cushion होता है. I can't wear things without cushion. They are great for your casual wear. They are great for your smart casual wear. In fact, there's this whole athleisure trend where you could wear your formal pants and your formal shirt and still wear these white shoes. So हमने 4 styles discuss की. We discussed flat shoes in brown, black and one metallic, one sneakers. The next comes sandals. These shoes are coins, like these shoes are nice. I have them since 2-3 years and इनका भी cushion काफी अच्छा है, which is very surprising for Charles & Keith shoes. But These are the sandals. Now ये sandals ना बहुत simple है, but they look nice. Now this kind of brown shoe I can wear to work. These kind of brown sandals I also wear sometimes in the evenings when I don't know. It's not like a jazzy party, but I'm going to dinner और आज मेरा mood नहीं है कोल्हापुरी चप्पल का, then I wear these. But a brown sandal works well for a lot of occasions. Okay, moving on. The next shoes are these black and brown heels, the closed ones. दोनों का heels, can you see this is a cone shape heel, and this one's a sort of a, this is a box heel. Now ये दोनों pair नहीं है, they are like different shoes, but you could invest in either or brown or black only if you have work. Okay, if you don't go to offices which are regimented, straight, then you don't need these black and brown heels. In fact, black heels are not necessary. Every time I see people wearing black heels on like everything, I feel कि यार black is not our color. मतलब तुम black heels पहनकर on any outfit, you're in fact creating such a huge mismatch. So don't invest in black heels. It's not necessary unless you go to work and your work requires you to wear black pants, black jumpsuit, black dresses, like a formal work environment. Then you need black heels. Otherwise, you don't need. A very unpopular opinion, I know, but that's the reality. One, irrespective कि तुम office जाते हो कि नहीं, the one thing that I would tell you invest in are these nude heels. Okay. Now when we talk about nude, see this is brown, this is nude. Now when we talk about nude, what happens is this should be the color of your. Now I'm just showing you my hand and then I'll show you my leg. So can you see this color is very similar to mine. Now for some people this could be nude when they're slightly on this shade, then this could be nude. The whole idea is that nude for your leg will be different than for some other friends. So just because it's light beige, it is not nude. For me a rose nude works better because my leg and my hands and all are that color. Now the difference between a round and a pointed toe is that round toe accommodates your foot well. Pointed toe is like हमारे पैर ऐसे नहीं है, but pointed toe obviously looks good. I mean, it creates a sharper impression. So when you're buying pointed toe, make sure कि ये वाला part ना is not hurting you. Like when you're wearing, make sure that this part doesn't hurt you and you're able to wear it. This is the last one, a metallic heel. Now, these are gorgeous shoes. Can you see? Heels are also very nice. ये ना मैंने spur of the moment buy किया था. This brand Luca Budor is very nice. I have a couple of shoes from them. I recommend this brand to every client. So when I went to Luca Budor and I fell in love with this metal, मुझे लगा कि it's a nice copper. It will go with gold, silver, everything, and it does. लेकिन they are very uncomfortable. I regret buying them. मतलब I can't even say this to Vaibhav. I'm just happy he doesn't watch my video. Matlab, he'll go to YouTube, hit a like, that's it, but he doesn't watch my video, so I can accept it right now. But they are super uncomfortable, and I'll tell you why they are super uncomfortable. Okay? Can you see the pointed? Ye na, this point is even higher. So when I wore this in the shop, and I felt कि यहाँ थोड़ा discomfort है, पर मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा expand हो जाएगा, and the cushioning of Luca Budor is always like amazing. So I thought, you know what, it's comfortable, they will be good. और मैं shop से ही निकल कर एक friend के वहाँ गई, and by the time I went to my friend's house, my feet were killing me. So these are only for video purposes now. I would want to invest in something like this, like a shinier one, because कभी-कभी रात को it looks nice when I'm wearing, लेकिन they are expensive. I've spent on them, but I know I won't be wearing them much. मतलब maximum मैं पहनूंगी, टैक्सी में जाऊंगी, किसी के घर निकाल दूंगी. I can't wear it like on, and I like wearing my shoes like, you know, if I have to run in them, if I have to walk too much in them, then I shouldn't regret. I like investing shoes like that. लेकिन this one I regret. So I'm not even putting it in my must-have list. Just sharing the story. Anyways, the last ones were these to tell you कि you can invest in something like closed shoes. Again, if you have you know, like that whole culture of going to dinners very often, or if you have events to attend very often, then having one neutral tone, gold silver mix, yeah, just a copper which is a neutral between gold and silver, so it works well for you for those events. But I regret, super regret. Anyways, I want to cover up two things in that. These are the two places. This is a box that are how I store my shoes. Now my heels and all, I don't like store just ऐसे ही. So I have these plastic clear boxes where I store. These are shoe boxes from Daiso. It's a local place in Singapore, but I'm going to add links of Amazon down. What happens is when I'm stacking one of the other in any cabinet, you know, अगर मुझे अपने cupboard में भी रखना है, if you're short of places, then instead of just dumping your shoes and spoiling them, these cabinets एक के ऊपर एक stack हो जाता है like Lego pieces. Another bug that I have is also available are these shoe boxes. Now these shoe boxes are very flat. तो अगर मैं travel भी कर रही हूँ ना तो मैं इसी में लेके जाती हूँ क्योंकि my shoes stay good. In fact, I've sent these shoe boxes to so many of my friends. ये पूरा flat होता है and you can make them. ये वाले shoe boxes भी ना, let me put and show you. Where is the brown man? Okay, चलो यही रखते हैं. Okay, so these shoe boxes are also there and this is them. I like both of them. जो भी मुझे मिलता है मैं ले लेती हूँ. I have in fact these for everyone. बच्चों के shoes, मेरे shoes, वैभव shoes. Everyone stays in such boxes. So when you're like stacking them, see. One on one they stack and second you're not confused. अगर मुझे कौन से पहनने I just remove that box, wear my shoes and put them in the box when it's done. So this is a great way to store your shoes. So that was it. 7 basic styles that you could invest in. अगर ये 7 जूते as is आपने buy कर लिए ना, I assure you, anything that you have, any event that you have, you are sorted with that. You don't need 10,000 things, okay? You need good 5 to 7 things. These are the good ones. Invest in them. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. I do enjoy creating my YouTube videos and I love when you guys comment and I can reply. If there's anything else, feel free. I have a huge content list planned for Christmas that comes up from next week. But if you have any specific requirement that you're confused about Christmas, hop onto my DM on Instagram. Adding my Instagram here. You can follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.